How to make your day the most productive. This is Deconstructing Life with Dan, and in this video I'm going to talk with you about the number one way to be the most productive. So I'll use this morning walk as an example. This walk by the pond. This walk doesn't happen by accident. In fact, I've been doing this walk for years and years and years, probably 10 years now. Lost track. But the point is this. Good morning. Morning, Dan. And so this walk isn't an accident. This is a morning success practice or morning success ritual. Now, the reason why we aren't productive is because most of us get up and we start checking our devices. We start checking for messages. We start checking Facebook, Instagram, email, and so on. Good morning, Robin. And we start checking all these resources for something outside of ourselves. And we get on somebody else's agenda. So once we're on somebody else's agenda, guess what happens? We're lost in their world. We're lost in what they want. We are not focused on what we want. And I'm going to tell you the number one way to be productive is not to do that. Now, you might be doing that every day now, and it might be difficult. Good morning, Jean-Michel. And so what I'm recommending is do not get up and get on somebody else's agenda. Do not start looking at other information other than what you want to do, what matters to you. And if you could have just a little practice in the morning to get up and start focusing on what you want, maybe you do some reading and writing, or maybe you just drink some water, do some movement, walk around, do like I do, walk in nature, do some exercise, do some yoga, do something simple. Spend some time outside like this. And look at this beautiful glassy pond today. Just beautiful. And there's probably some ducks over here. But just, starting your day off for you, not on somebody else's agenda. And that's the key to being productive. There's enough research to show that people like Oprah Winfrey, Richard Branson, Bill Gates, you name it, everybody who's kind of in the media that's successful, Tesla, I'm forgetting his name, but the owner of Tesla. So, Elon, same thing. They all have a morning routine of some kind that they do without failure. That is sacred time for them. And I'm going to suggest you do the same. So what I'm going to do for you is I created a video that shows you how you can create a checklist. And I'm giving you a checklist for having a morning success ritual, a morning productivity pattern or practice. And I'm going to give it to you so that you can do it. And that way you can see what it feels like to get up in the morning and then start your day, getting yourself physically, mentally, emotionally prepared for the day so that you have an amazing day and you're successful today, not helping somebody else be successful or doing stuff for them. All right, so this has been another episode of Deconstructing Life with Dan. Watch out for that link below. I'll provide it to you now. And go ahead and start creating your checklist for your morning ritual. And as always, thanks for watching.